Hey guys, it's Devin and I'm at the Schwarzkopf studio today. So to really win the game, we have a very special celebrity guest.
Hi, I'm Megan Blunk.
And today we were able to create this incredible look using IGORA VIBRANCE. Okay guys, let's break down how we did this incredible hair step by step. I used Blonde Me 9 Levels Lift and I mixed it with clay lightener. I love the consistency. I love that I have the control. It does have a bonder inside of it, so I trust it. When I put it on someone's hair, I'm not worried about breakage, not worried about damaged, and I know that I can get the lift that I'm wanting with that product. So I really needed to make sure that she had a very seamless transition from a little bit more of her natural down to the blonde. So Vibrance helped a ton for me to be able to blend that seamlessly down towards her ends. I used lotion and I used gel and I mixed those together to really create that nice and soft look to her hair. So it looks like a soft, lived-in old money blonde. With her lifestyle and choosing to do the root smudge midtone and end tone, she is a level 5 naturally, so that is a little bit darker. So I really wanted to ensure that she had a level 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it looks more of a gradual blend into the blondes and not just dark and blonde. When I saw her today and seeing how her face lit up and when we were in styling and all that stuff, it was just so cool to see like a full circle moment. What do you think?
I am shocked. I went from all natural brown hair, hadn't touched it in 8 years, and I trusted you, and you brought out the blonde that I do have inside of me.
Well, I think it was a team effort here.
Team Schwarzkopf.
Team Schwarzkopf. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you guys learned so much, and make sure to subscribe and watch the other videos. Bye.